My name is Peter Gately. I'm the quality manager at the Beckers Group here in the UK. We are a leading supplier of coil coatings and industrial coatings to big brands worldwide. A lot of the problems we see is making sure that obviously compliant to various regulatory audits we have, being part of investigations for maybe non-conformities we've had within a process, customer complaints or rejected batches, trying to put some robust corrective actions in place.
I'm Jamie Parsonage, Business Process Improvement Specialist here at the Liverpool site for Beckers Group. Due to the subjective nature of the grind test, it caused us certain problems in the middle of last year. We were finding that different levels of experience were giving different results in the grind readings. We were getting very large variance from production to QC to the labs, sometimes up to 20 micron roughly.
The grind check, although quite a simple test, is so subjective. What we found is we would ask a few people to repeat the test on the same sample and it hasn't got that reproducibility. It's just down to fear really, where people have been unsure, so they would rather err on the side of caution. So it may go for that extra processing that the batch may not need, which then leads to inconsistencies in them base panels that are coming into the lab. There was many occasions when a batch was taken off fully under the impression that we'd achieved the required grind at that stage. Unfortunately, when the process was finished, it was failing at the quality stage, which led to non-conformities. It was determined the batches had to go back on the mill to finish off that process. Apart from wasting time and obviously energy, which goes against our sustainability goals, it also caused production delays because whilst that job was getting reprocessed, we couldn't progress with further batches that were required down the planning schedule.
So I was aware of TIDAS by Labman in a previous role, and I quickly seen that having this piece of equipment on site here at Beckers would be fundamental to help our improvement efforts in terms of quality and just help the overall process efficiency. It's had a lot of good feedback very early on. It's took hold quite quickly, and people are seeing the benefits of this from top down.
It's enabled a lot more people across different departments to carry out what is really a basic test, but it's give us consistent results every time. It's give us that number, so your grind is this value and it takes the opinion away. It's been widely used by the development labs, the quality labs, but more importantly for me, the team in production who may have been a bit apprehensive to carry out some of these quality checks before, and it's empowered them to do a test, get a number and make that decision. Luckily in the UK we are the home of Beckers Future Lab, who are working on the long-term future sustainable coatings. Beckers strives to be the most sustainable paint company in the world, and piece of equipment that can take away the subjectivity and make us more automated and give us these clear answers instead of opinion certainly help with that process.
Working with TIDAS by Labman has been a success for us as a business overall. Not only our site but other sites are now investing in the equipment and seeing the benefits that it can have. I'm personally excited to see what other capabilities it's going to bring to us in terms of data-driven improvements overall onto the site.